Alright, welcome back to step 4 in the Rentallect Welcome Tour. In this segment we'll discuss how to import your historical inquiries into Rentallect. This is a completely optional process and it can be done either now or any time in the future, and in fact can be repeated over and over again. We encourage you to do the import since it will populate your account with very valuable data that will fuel your analytics. Imagine, minutes after creating your rental account, you'll be able to run analytics charts. So it's a good idea to bring in as much data as you can immediately. Let's demonstrate how to import historical inquiries from VRBO. Let's get to the import page by clicking the green button. A CSV file, or comma separated value file, is what is needed for the import. This file originates over on VRBO. So let's go there and I will show you where in the admin you can find the file. Here I'm logged into an Odor admin account for one of the properties that we manage. Under the Inquiries tab, you'll see a blue arrow here. If you click that, you'll get a dialog that allows you to select specific dates that you want to import or export from, or you can select all of them. Then just click the yellow button down in the corner, and a file named inquiries.csv will be downloaded to your computer. Back over on Rentallect, you can either select it from your computer by clicking this button and then navigating to it, or if you have, say, a Finder window open on your computer, you can literally just drag and drop it. So let's demonstrate that. Select the file, drag it until the blue outline appears over the drag and drop window, and then just release the mouse button. A progress meter will walk across the screen as all of the inquiries in the file are processed. Eventually, when they're all uploaded, a status report will be rendered for you. Once the import is complete, Rentallect will render a report similar to what you see here. Not all of the inquiries that were in the CSV file were successfully imported. We will articulate to you which ones were successful and which ones were not, and typically when there are problems they will fall into two different categories. The first is what we call unmapped. As part of this welcome tour, we set up a property that had a channel attached to VRBO listing number 50866, but we did not set up a channel for this property on HomeAway listing number 158773. This particular property was advertised on both of those listing sites, but since Rentallect doesn't have a mapping for them, we articulate that problem like this. It's easy enough for you to go back to Rentallect, add the channel for HomeAway 158773, or whatever your listing number happens to be, and then re-import the same file, and this problem will go away. Duplicates, on the other hand, reflect the fact that you may have already imported the file previously, or a record in the CSV file may appear twice. It's not uncommon for some guests to click the inquire button multiple times, and you could have the same inquiry represented in your CSV file multiple times. Rentallect will not import it multiple times, so we show them up like this as duplicates. That's basically all there is to it. If we wanted to re-import, it wouldn't be much different than what you saw here. So we'll just proceed to the next step in the welcome tour, which is exploring analytics, and we will do that in the next video. We'll see you there.